guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Today we are going to see the West Side Sale 2024 offers that we have across the West Side stores, both offline and online. This sale is applicable across all the West Side stores which are present in any of the states or any locations. And today we are going to see the Sharad City Capital Mall West Side store for the offers if we have any. Today being a Sunday, we have a lot of traffic. So this is the West Side store. They have newly revamped it and they have organized it really well. But because of the sale, most of the items have been thrown here and there. We have lot of items on sale, and you also have a new arrival section as well. We have tops starting from 499 and kurta starting from 999 and the 3-piece set starting from 1499. We have huge offers in the footwear section also, all priced at 299s and 699s. This is a couple of collections that we have. So these are priced at 699 at the sale. Collection is really nice. The shoes section also has a lot of offers spread across. Try and go in the morning times, maybe at 8:39 when the store gets open. Because of the sale, the store is getting open little early. So this sale is starting from August 1st and it will be available till August 31st. Across all the stores on all the footwear, accessories, makeup, apparel, men's, women's, and also at the West Side home section, kids section, lot of offers are there. So this is the skincare range of West Side. This is the makeup ranges. The starting price is from 49 rupees for the lip glosses, and the lipsticks, foundations, etc. are priced at 299. You have wide range of nail polishes as well. These are the lipstick collections. You have testers for all of these. So you can try the ones and pick the better ones for you. So the price range for these is from 99, 199 and 299. So I have bought a couple of lipsticks from here. Blossom shade and the nude shade. Nude shade has a lot of sale at West Side. So these are the 3-piece collections. The starting price range for these are from 1499 until 1999. You also have new arrivals across the sections. The kurti sets from 699 and the regular kurtis office wear from 499, 999. Based on the brands and the sale sections, you have huge variants of collections. Trial rooms are little busy, so if you are already aware of your sizes in West Side, you can directly pick it up from here. You also have wide offers in West Side home as well. Couple of items have flat 60%, 70% as well. This is the men's section. Menswear also has huge offers. The basic tees, office wear tees were starting from 199, 499, 699, 999. So the formal shirts from 699. The footwear also has huge collection and offers from 999, 499, 699 in all the price ranges. These are the semi-formal office wear shirts at 699, and then you have kids offers also like 199, 299. All the kids wear has huge offers. These are the kids footwear at 199, and then the basic tees for men at 199 again. These are the couple of dresses that I have picked, which are priced at 299, but on sale we are getting for 1499. These men's t-shirts are at 499. Original MRP being 699. These are priced at 200 off. A lot of these have huge collections and sales. They have nice jackets and these printed shirts as well. These are also priced at 499, and then these jackets priced at 1999. That's it for my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle.